First, thank you for investing your time and money into this affordable wisdom course on investment. As you may know, my name is Jo Rogers. I'm a lawyer and I specialize in providing affordable legal services and information to small and medium-sized businesses like you through my company, which is Navistar Legal. I've been a lawyer for over 10 years. I work with businesses of all sizes, from large corporates like American Express to entrepreneurial startups, helping both to negotiate their investment, their sales, their partnerships, or their supplier agreements. In the last 5 years, I've worked specifically with over 100 SMEs, and I've seen firsthand the difficulty that these businesses experience when getting into any deal. Specifically, small business owners can get themselves into trouble because they don't have the experience to determine whether a deal is right for them. And they don't often have the cash to engage a lawyer to work it out properly. This leaves them vulnerable because once a contract is signed, it is way too late. Worse still, when they negotiate with someone more experienced than they are, the problem is just exponentially increased. All this can leave them feeling overwhelmed, overpowered, and sometimes powerless. We want to put the power back into the hands of these small businesses by delivering them affordable training, checklists, and legal support necessary to avoid getting them into trouble in the first place. And, most importantly, to get the very best possible deal for their business. My background is in helping companies to raise lots of money in investment, and I have been there after things have gone horribly wrong. So today I'm well equipped to give you some guidance around how I would look at and engage with a shareholders agreement and investors, and give you some additional background to certain questions that I'm sure, if you're about to get into investment, your investors know, but you may not. I want this course to be like a conversation that you can fast forward or rewind. It's for your reference, and it will take you through the entire shareholders agreement template from beginning to end. It is broken down into chapters, so you can move forward or backwards in the chapters as you need. And you can go back to any chapters that you need a refresher on, or skip any parts that are already second nature to you at any time. I can't promise you a law degree, but you will receive a greater understanding of each clause, which in turn should allow you to understand your negotiation position when dealing with an investor, so that you can negotiate for various changes with them. By the end of the course, I want you to have a peace of mind that you are prepared for conversations with your investors, so that you can quickly assess an investment deal and know whether it's actually fair, and get to know and understand the whole deal and not just look at the money arriving before you press go. This audio course comes with a template shareholders agreement. So now is the time to pick it up or print off the document so you can make notes or make notes online as we go along. Let's press pause for a moment to allow you to get that agreement. And when you're ready to begin, click on the next chapter.